Hi everyone. Welcome back to day 2 of our ReactJS tutorial series. In our last video, we got a taste of what React is and created our very first React component. Today, we are going to deep dive into the world of components and learn about props, a powerful way to pass data between components. If you are excited to level up your React skills, make sure to hit the button and subscribe for more great content. Let's get started. Before we dive into props, let's quickly recap components. In React, components are like building blocks that define the structure and behavior of your user interface. They can be either functional components or class components. Now let's see what are they. First of all, we'll see what are functional components. So they are the JavaScript functions that return JSX elements. They are simpler to write and understand. Remember our Hello World example from the last video? That was the functional component. Now we'll see what are class components. Class components are ES6 classes that extend the React component class. They have additional features like state management and lifecycle management methods. So don't worry if this sounds a bit overwhelming right now. We'll cover these topics in future videos. Now let's talk about properties. So properties are called props, which are the data from parent component to child component. They are read-only and help you create dynamic and reusable components. Now let's see how do we pass props from parent component to child component. Now let's see how to pass props to your child component from a parent component. Open up the project which we set in the last video and create a new file called greeting.js. We will make a React component called greeting, which will get a property from app.js. Suppose we are using the property name as name. And this props.name, the value will come from the parent component where it will be used. So let me use it in our app.js and pass the value name is equal to Priyanka. Also, let me import this. Now, let's go to our browser and we see that this hello world is coming from app.js and this hello Priyanka is coming from the child component greeting.js. Here we see this Priyanka we have passed from app.js has been used by greeting.js as a property. So props are accessible in the receiving component through the props parameter that we have seen our example. You can also access individual props using the .NET notation like props.name. And there you have it. In today's tutorial, we explored components in more detail and learned how to use props to pass data between them. This opens up a new hole in possibilities for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Give it a try in your own project and see the magic of React components in action. Thank you for joining me in day 2 of our ReactJS journey. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and sharing with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tutorials. In the next video, we'll deep dive into the world of functional and class components. Stay curious, keep coding, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.